Hello dear students, this is Shalini Mishra, your SST teacher. Welcome you all on the e-learning platform of PN Mercy High School. Let's start chapter number 19. This is your economics chapter and the title of the chapter is Human Development. Let's start this chapter with the introductory part of the chapter. Dear students, the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspiration or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to achieve. Different persons can have different social and economic aspirations. Human development is human-centered approach towards development which focuses on people. It is concerned with the people and their well-being, their needs, choices and aspirations. Its purpose is to create such conditions of life which may help them to develop to their own genius. It is wider term which includes economic development, development of one's knowledge, educational capabilities and health condition. So that an individual can live a healthy life. So let's start to study the meaning of human development. The shift in emphasis from economic development to human welfare finds expression in the terms of human development. According to the United Nations Development Programme, human development is a process of extending human aspiration and essential subsistence services. Here, subsistence services means essential services for the livelihood, like food, clothing, and shelter. Human development is not merely increase in per capita income but also utilization of that income. It provides opportunity to live a creative life according to one's skill, intelligence, capabilities, and taste. Dear students, if we want to elaborate the meaning of human development, we can say that human development is ability to live successful and creative life as per one's own abilities, wisdom and interest. Or we can say creation of human capabilities and having equal opportunity to select field of one's own liking can be human development. Human development is a development of people living long, qualitative and healthy life. Here qualitative means quality of life should be improved. People acquiring knowledge through education and other sources of information. That is also a part of human development. People getting opportunities to gain monetary benefit is also a parameter of human development. Natural resources are used to raise the standard of living of the people can be a parameter of human development. Removal of squirrels and improvement of health related amenities and hygiene parameter can be a human development. Provision of personal and social security can be a parameter of human development. Human development can be opportunity to exercise human rights. Dear students, in next video we will discuss about Human Development Index and indicators of Human Development Index. Thank you.